Thank you. Hi, it's Eva Mark here at the Lindt Chocolate Factory. And this is the huge chocolate dripping into a ball, which only makes sense because the Lindt balls of chocolate, which are all different flavors, some with liqueur, others, is really neat. So you can see it's a big whisk at the top, and the chocolate just drips right down. So come with us. There's a chocolate tour, which we're going to go on next. So come with us as we go to the Lindt Factory, and you can see it's a concrete building with a cafe. And there's Eva. And cafe has some very yummy waffles with chocolate and with cream. So come with us, Eva and Mark, as we take you to the Lindt Chocolate Factory tour and all around in Switzerland, in Zurich, Switzerland, and all around the world. Our motto is live well and travel well.